In this video, I'll show you how to mention someone in your Facebook post. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. I'm currently in my Facebook, right? If I would love to mention someone in my Facebook post, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna click on this what's on your mind, right? I'll click on it. Right here you can see what's on your mind. So let's say if I want to message someone, I can just type in hey, right? I'm gonna use the tag, right? So right now you can see the people that I can currently mention here on my Facebook page, sorry, on my Facebook profile, right? These are the people that I can mention on my Facebook post because let's say they're my friends or I'm following them, right? So let's say if I want to mention TT, right? I'm gonna click on her profile. Right now you can see I currently mention TT in this post, right? So if I click on this next, right, I'll wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, I can just click on this post, right? So you're gonna see what is gonna happen, right? So you can see right now I just mentioned TT to my post, and this is TT, right? This is TT. So this is basically how you can mention someone to your Facebook post. If you find this video, appreciate your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the next video.